Video opens with a dramatic slow-motion crash test. Ever wonder what keeps you safe inside 2 tons of metal hurtling down the highway? It's not just luck. It's cutting-edge engineering. In 2025, car safety is more advanced than ever, with manufacturers pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Today, we're counting down the top 5 safest cars of 2025, where technology and robust design come together to protect you and your loved ones. Let's dive in. First up, the epitome of luxury and safety, the Genesis G90. This car doesn't just look stunning. It's a fortress on wheels. Boasting top safety ratings from both global NCAP and the IIHS, its AI-assisted crash avoidance system can literally see and react to danger before you do. Paired with an incredibly robust structure, the G90 is engineered to absorb impact and keep the cabin secure. It's where elegance meets exceptional protection. Next, we have a revolutionary electric vehicle, the Hyundai Ioniq 5. Driving through the city, this futuristic crossover proves that EVs can lead the pack in safety. It has aced crash tests, thanks in part to its innovative battery protection technology and a comprehensive suite of driver assist features. The Ioniq 5 is not just about zero emissions, it's about zero compromise on your safety. Of course, no safety list is complete without the Tesla Model S speeding down the highway. Its legendary autopilot features are constantly scanning the road. But the real magic is in its design. With an exceptionally low center of gravity, it's incredibly resistant to rollovers. And its massive front and rear crumple zones are designed to dissipate energy, making it one of the highest-rated vehicles for safety ever tested. For the adventurers out there, meet the Rivian R1S. This rugged electric SUV is built to conquer the wild and keep you safe while doing it. As a top safety pick for a large SUV, its ultra-strong frame and comprehensive airbag system provide peace of mind on any terrain. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or city streets, the R1S is a testament to durability and advanced safety engineering. Finally, we have a consistent family favorite, the Mazda CX-5. Year after year, this stylish compact SUV earns top marks in crash tests, making it a reliable and trusted choice. Its iActiveSense safety suite, featuring smart braking and lane keep assist, works tirelessly to prevent accidents. The CX-5 proves that you need to break the bank for top-tier safety and peace of mind. So there you have it, 5 incredible vehicles leading the charge in automotive safety for 2025. From luxury sedans to rugged SUVs, these cars show that the most important feature is the one that protects you. You're looking for your next car, remember to check the safety ratings. Your life could depend on it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Drive safe.